Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is paired, Bluetooth is on, and both devices are charged. Once done, unlock the iPhone, open the Watch app, and stay in the My Watch tab. Make sure software update's finished. Updates can change time settings. This prevents syncing issues later. Now, with devices connected, you're ready to change how the watch shows time, either by adjusting iPhone time settings or applying a watch offset in the Watch app. You go to My Watch, then Clock, and tap the option to set the watch face display ahead. Choose an offset from 0 to 59 minutes. This shifts only the displayed time, not system timestamps. Once you select an amount, tap Confirm and watch the watch face update. Make sure complications and alarms still reflect actual time. Alarms use real system time. If you prefer time zone control, adjust iPhone settings right arrow general right arrow date and time, but keep automatic set for accuracy. You finish by verifying that alarms, timers, and calendar entries behave as expected because those use system time. If the watch still shows wrong time, restart the watch and iPhone, then recheck Bluetooth. If problems persist, open Watch app right arrow general right arrow reset sync data. This forces a fresh sync. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure iPhone's date and time is set to automatic. Manual iPhone time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.